walk, walk.
I walk in the park every morning to feel fresh and relaxed.
Exercise, exercise.
I exercise daily because it keeps my body healthy and strong.
Book, book.
I read books in my free time to increase my knowledge.
Water, water.
I drink clean water every day to stay healthy.
Television, television.
I watch television at night to relax my mind.
Friends, friends.
I talk with my friends to share ideas and feelings.
Market, market.
I go to the market to buy daily household items.
Fruit, fruit.
I buy fresh fruit because it is good for my health.
Eat, eat.
I eat healthy food to keep my body active.
Tea, tea.
I drink tea in the morning to feel energetic.
Mobile phone, mobile phone.
I use my mobile phone to communicate with others.
Internet, internet.
I use the internet to learn new things every day.
Study, study.
I study my lessons carefully to succeed in exams.
House, house.
I clean the house to keep it neat and tidy.
Clothes, clothes.
I wash my clothes regularly to stay clean.
Sleep, sleep.
I sleep early at night to wake up fresh.
Wake up, wake up.
I wake up early in the morning to start my day well.
Work, work.
I come home in the evening after finishing my work.
Garden, garden.
I walk in the garden to enjoy fresh air and nature.
Sports, sports.
I play sports because it improves my physical fitness.
Football, football.
I play football with my friends in the playground.
Cricket, cricket.
I play cricket on weekends to enjoy my free time.
Car, car.
I drive a car carefully to reach my destination safely.
Bus, bus.
I take the bus when I need to travel far.
School, school.
I go to school every day to get an education.
University, university.
I go to university to build a better future.
Work, work.
I go to work on time to fulfill my responsibilities.
Teacher, teacher.
I talk to my teacher when I need guidance or help.
Family, family.
I eat meals with my family to strengthen our relationship.
Call, call.
I call my friend to ask about his health.
Messages, messages.
I send messages to stay connected with people.
Photos, photos.
I take photos to capture beautiful memories.
Watch, watch.
I watch videos online to learn and enjoy.
Learn, learn.
I learn English to communicate with people around the world.
Learn, learn.
I pray every day to find peace in my heart.
Mosque, mosque.
I go to the mosque to offer my prayers.
Learn, learn.
I learn Urdu to understand different cultures.
Library, library.
I go to the library to study in a quiet place.
Street, street.
I walk in the street carefully to avoid accidents.
Time, time.
I finish my work on time to avoid stress.
Elders, elders.
I greet elders respectfully to show good manners.
Wash, wash.
I wash fruit before eating to stay safe and healthy.
Vegetables, vegetables.
I cook vegetables at home to eat fresh food.
Money, money.
I save money for future needs.
Trip, trip.
I go on a trip to relax my mind.
Mountains, mountains.
I go to the mountains to enjoy natural beauty.
River, river.
I go to the river to feel calm and peaceful.
Online, online.
I attend online classes to continue my education.
Successful, successful.
I try every day to become a better and successful person.